Houston, Texas, where even the dogs are getting into package theft. Look at this German Shepherd, just casually snatching a delivery like it's his. And if you think that's a one-time thing, just wait, because here comes another pup pulling the same move. What's going on here? A secret canine crime ring? Chicago, Illinois. What is even happening with people these days? Just look at this. The way they're reacting. I don't know whether to laugh or lose my mind. Seriously, this is driving me crazy just watching it. Oak Park, Michigan. This thief really thought they could snatch an innocent little puppy. But guess what? This pup was not having it. Fought back, held its ground, and honestly, that deserves a like for sure. Jersey City, New Jersey. This lady was really out here trying to break into a stranger's house. But nope, didn't work. And the homeowner caught her red-handed. Now the real question, what excuse is she going to try next?
Can I help you with something?
No, everybody's lying about what's going on. I got the keys to the city, so I'm scanning all my houses.
What are you talking about?
I got the key. Don't worry about it. I'm scanning all my houses. All this is mine. All of it.
Beaumont, Texas. This lady is really out here stealing a little kid's bike. Unbelievable. I'm just saying. Always lock up your bike so people like this don't take advantage. The most interesting part is coming up, so keep watching. This is about to get really good. Irvine, California. This thief really thought the homeowner was asleep. Sneak in, get out, easy, right? Wrong. What he didn't know, the homeowner was watching everything on camera and caught him red-handed.
Get out of here. Now. Go. Get out of here. Don't come back.
Cleveland, Ohio. We have got enough porch pirates already. But what if your own delivery driver is one of them? Watch this. Drops off the package, takes the proof photo, then snatches it right back.
Hello?
Hi, I'm just dropping off your DoorDash package.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Honestly, I'm so fed up with these so-called delivery drivers running off with what they're supposed to deliver. Watching this video alone is feeling kinda heavy, so do me a favor and drop a sweet like. And if you want to keep watching more crazy videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Help me! I will the Freemasons! Help me! Wolf is in the house next door!
Jackson, Mississippi. Okay, but who just walks around late at night with a chainsaw? This is some straight-up horror movie stuff. Nope, I'm good. Hope I never have to run into something like this. Windsor, Connecticut. This lady walks up and starts messing with the... But here's the question. Wrong house by mistake or something more suspicious? Drop a comment and let me know. Was she lost or up to no good?
Who are you?
Hello, Milna, it's Nita. Can you open the door, please?
Who is this?
Nita!
What are you doing there?
The back doorway? Is this
Are you here to
26?
see somebody? No, it's not.
Where's 26?
I'm not sure. You're at 44.
Okay.
Eagle, Idaho. This Amazon driver drops off the package, then spots a cupcake and just snags one. Bold move. Thing is, that cupcake was a gift from the homeowner's neighbor. Honest mistake? Or did they know exactly what they were doing? What would you have done?
You gotta put them back.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. These days, some real weirdos are roaming around at night. Best to keep that gate locked, or who knows what could happen.
Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hi.
Fort Worth, Texas. Lock up your stuff or don't. Doesn't seem to matter. If these people want to steal, they'll find a way no matter what. What's this guy doing? Messing with like he lives here. Bro, this ain't your house. Move along. Columbus, Ohio. This lady was all set to steal some decorations until she spotted the camera. And just like that, she changes her mind. St. Albans, New York, so this guy is fuming. All because his dog did its business in the wrong spot. And now, he's going off on the homeowner. The tension's building, so let's see how this one plays out.
Okay. Let's go, Jupiter, let's go.
Get off of my lawn! What are you doing? Watch it for my lawn!
Let's go, Jupiter, let's go.
I'm gonna call the police on your ass!
Got you.
You ain't gonna go.
Got you. Got you.
Malik, don't go out there. Come here, Malik.
Got it. We got
Hello. Malik, come.
Malik, I got it.
Come, Malik. No.
We got it.
Come, Malik. Malik.
I was just over there. Malik.
Malik, come.
We got it.
Hello.
New Bedford, Massachusetts.
Hello?
All right, what's this guy up to in the middle of the night? And more importantly, what kind of request does he
Hello?
have for the homeowner? Let's find out.
Hello?
Oh.
Hi.
Hi, I was wondering if maybe you could help me out. My sister's in the hospital in Brockton, and I'm just trying to take a train out there tomorrow so I can go see her because she's not doing good. She's in a coma.
I'm sorry to hear that, but I don't carry cash.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Portland, Oregon. Porch pirates are getting way too bold. This one showed up with an empty box, swapped it for the real package, and took off. Seriously, I really can't stand people like this.
Shut up. Yo. Shut up. Shut up.
We can't answer the door right now.
Tustin, California, another day, another theft. Honestly, what's even left to say at this point? People just don't stop. It's getting exhausting. Tustin, California. This guy rolls up, starts taking pictures of a stranger's house. All while the homeowner is watching everything on camera. Now here's the fun part. When they confront him, what excuse is he gonna pull? Why was he really there?
Hello?
What are you doing?
Hi. I'm with the property management company. I usually come to do a check once a week while the vendor was working, and I was here looking for a lockbox that we usually use to access.
You've got it. You must be at the wrong place. There's no renter here. I don't know what you're doing walking around my property right now. What property management company are you talking about?
Okay, sorry. I think I might have had the wrong. It's got the similar layout. Sorry about that.
What property? Who are you looking for?
930. I see
Wrong
that you're
house.
50.
You're at the wrong house. You're at the wrong house. Please
about
leave and please don't come back and walk around my property again. I'll call 911.
You got it. No
Seriously,
worries.
gonna call the police if I see you walking around my property again. Get out of here now.
I understand. Thank you.
Charlotte, North Carolina. Hey, Grandma. At this age, stealing is not a good look. This is the time to relax, enjoy life, not run around taking other people's stuff. Come on now. Portland, Oregon. Oh, this one's satisfying. This porch pirate thought he could grab the package and dip. But what he didn't know, the homeowner was already waiting for him. Let's see how this one plays out.
I'm sorry, bro. Get off my porch, dude! Stay off my porch, man!
Jersey City, New Jersey. These two walk up, grab a package. But the second the homeowner spots them, they're like, "Oh, we were just making sure no one steals it." Right. What do you think? Were they really protecting it? Or were they the porch pirates all along?
I think this is your package.
Beaumont, Texas. Look at this lady creeping around someone's house in the middle of the night. And the second she spots the camera, oh, suddenly she's there by mistake. Yeah, sure. This right here is exactly why you never open your door for strangers at night. Fort Worth, Texas. This lady was straight up going through someone's mailbox. But the second she spotted the camera, whole vibe switched. She just banged on the window and took off. Like, what was even the plan here? What's she trying to do at this hour? Tulsa, Oklahoma, another DoorDash driver looking all professional and honest. But wait, he snaps the delivery photo, then pulls a porch pirate move, grabs the food and takes off. Like, seriously, if even the food delivery drivers are out here stealing, who are we supposed to trust? This is not the place for you. Knocking on a stranger's house at this hour? Yeah, let's not do that. Please, just don't. Columbus, Ohio. Does anyone recognize this guy? He was supposed to be doing some gardening, not checking doorknobs on every house. If you know his name, or better yet, his phone number, let us know. This is not what he was hired for. Hartford, Connecticut. Anyone know this woman? Rings the doorbell at 10:15 p.m. Drops off spaghetti and meatballs. But here's the thing. This wasn't a DoorDash order. The homeowner didn't order any food at this hour. So, what's really going on here?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can.
Bay Shore, New York. Watch out for this guy. He rolls up, acts like he's talking to the camera, and then just takes something that's not his. Like, why does he think that's okay? If you know him, send the homeowner a message. Houston, Texas. Another DoorDash driver pulling a porch pirate move. Seriously, what are we even supposed to do to protect our food at this point? If the delivery guy is the one stealing, yeah, we've got a real problem. Atlanta, Georgia. Take a look at this lady just walking up and trying doorknobs like she lives here. Hey lady, this is not your home. Time to move along. Indianapolis, Indiana. Be aware of this woman. Walks right up, peeks through the window, looking real suspicious. Almost like she's trying to get in. But then, when the homeowner confronts her, suddenly she's got a concern about a cat and a dog in the neighborhood. What do you think? Watch the full clip and decide.
Your cat was right there.
Huh?
The little cat.
Oh, yeah, it's the community cat.
Right. I see the little gray cat.
Uh-huh.
It's coming on your porch.
Yep.
I was trying to get your cat in your yard.
Oh, there's several in the neighborhood. I take care of them.
All right. It was like 4 around your porch.
Yeah.
And it was right there. I was trying to put it back in your porch.
Yeah.
I'm still out.
The video is almost over and we've seen everything go down. But hold on. There's still more footage coming up. Indianapolis, Indiana. This lady really tried it.
Sorry, I was talking to somebody else.
First, she goes for the front door, then starts messing with the AC unit, trying to push her way in. Lucky for the homeowner, the camera caught everything while they were at work. And the roommate? Yeah, they scared her off just in time. Detroit, Michigan. Yeah, this dude really out here like stealing cameras is his new job or something. Homeowner saw it all and even called him out like, hey, what are you doing? But nope, he's fully committed. Porch pirates these days are getting way too bold.
May I help you? May I help you?
Los Angeles, California. This lady walks right up, tries the doorknob like she lives here. But the second she spots the camera, oh, now she's at the wrong house. What do you think? Honest mistake, or was she up to something? St. James, New York. At this point, nothing is safe. We've seen people steal food deliveries, even random stuff off porches. But now they're out here stealing coconuts straight from the tree. Seriously, what is even happening in the world? Brooklyn, New York. This elderly duo really should be in Florida, relaxing on the beach, soaking up the sun. But nope. Instead, they're out here trying to break into someone's house. Come on now. At this age, this is not the retirement plan you need. Just go home and take a nap. Seattle, Washington. Okay, this is just weird. This guy shows up at the door claiming he knows the homeowner's wife. He even says her name. Like, how does he even know that? Is he just some random guy with the wrong house, or is there something more to this? Either way, this is not normal behavior.
Is Emily here by chance? Yeah, who are you again? I'm friend from high school. My name's Marcus. Marcus? From high school? Post? BLS?
Anaheim, California. Porch pirates stealing packages is one thing. But these guys? They just went ahead and took the whole car. Like not even subtle about it, just hopped in and drove off. Man, this is seriously concerning. What's next?